Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English CUET. We will go through a comprehensive guide to help you prepare effectively. First, it is crucial to understand the exam structure and syllabus. Then, we will focus on enhancing your reading comprehension and vocabulary. Next, we will cover essential grammar rules and their practical application. Finally, we will discuss developing strong writing skills for various question formats. This structured approach will maximize your preparation. To master reading comprehension, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reading diverse articles, editorials, and literary pieces. This practice significantly boosts your reading speed and understanding. For vocabulary, learn 10 to 15 new words every day, focusing on their contextual usage. Utilize flashcards or dedicated vocabulary applications to reinforce your learning and ensure long-term retention. Consistent effort in these areas is key. For grammar, revisit fundamental topics such as tenses, subject-verb agreement, and prepositions. Solve numerous practice questions on error detection and sentence correction to solidify your understanding. Regarding writing skills, regularly practice crafting essays, letters, and summaries. Aim for clarity, coherence, and conciseness in your writing. A well-structured response can earn you valuable marks, so dedicate ample time to this section. Consistent practice is paramount for success. Solve at least 5 to 7 previous years' question papers under timed conditions to familiarize yourself with the exam format. Take several full-length mock tests to simulate the actual examination environment. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas. Finally, dedicate the last 2 weeks to comprehensive revision of all concepts and notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.